Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Adiding 2-pack of LED garage or ceiling or attic lights. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So as we open up this box, comes nicely packaged. It is a single light. Instructions are there, but should be relatively self-explanatory. Unwrap, sorry, not doing a very good job of this. You'll see that there is still some styrofoam around the center, and then you will still need to remove that around the plug. Looks like it's, I don't know if it's a screw in or not, but either way, these are all adjustable. And so that's what really makes this thing awesome is you can kind of close it up or keep it open. There we go. I'll remove that. Will screw into a typical, bat or light plug. I'm going to demonstrate this probably in my garage or my attic or something like that, just so you can get a feel of what this looks like here. But lighting points all over, so you can customize it kind of how you want to display the lighting and everything like that. So we'll go ahead and do that. So this is meant for outside or in your attic, and unfortunately, or basement. Unfortunately, the light that I have, space-wise, I can't really film in that area easily to kind of adjust and show you this. So I'm just going to show you in a room. First of all, I'm going to turn the light on. I'm just going to show you using a lamp. Understand how bright this is. Super bright. I'm going to give you an idea, hopefully, of just kind of what the lighting looks like in this room compared to like how bright that is. But now I'm going to turn off the light. And yet this whole room is lit up really well still. And what I do want to show you is that, again, these things can kind of direct. So let me just adjust here. That you can move these all around and turn the light however you want. Now, what they won't do is go beyond this kind of point, but that's really like this will usually be hanging from the the ceiling. So it would almost be more like this. I don't know how to best. It would kind of be upside down like this, so you'd be directionally kind of angling things away. So with that, really great flexibility on this light. You've got the light on the top, you've got these, so you can kind of angle the lighting all you want. There is some temperature here. It does get a little bit warm, but not hot in any way, shape, or form. But super bright, as you can tell. So definitely worth buying. Again, I'm in a, if I unplug this, the room goes dark completely. So let me just kind of generally show you exactly how dark it gets. And then, just simply turning on the light. So definitely worth buying. Super bright, super value. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.